Okay, on question 1, we have a pediatrician that records weights of babies seen in the doctor's office. The scatter plot and line of regression is shown below. We were asked to find what is the slope of the line and what does it mean in the context of the problem. Well, to find the slope, we used this formula that was m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And in order to get values for these, I'm going to need to find some points to use. And the points that I should use are going to be the points that are actually on this line. So all the other points that are on the graph are not really necessary. We just need to find 2 points that are on this line. So here's one, and here's one. It does not matter which 2 points you pick. There is a third one over here, but I'm going to pick these 2 that I have put dots on. Okay, so I see that this point is at 0.26, and this point would be at 3.8. So those are going to be my 2 points that I'm going to use for this formula. 2.6 and 3.8. Okay, this will be my x1 and y1. This would be my x2 and y2. So using the formula, that will give me that 8 minus 6 divided by 3 minus 2. 8 minus 6 is 2, and 3 minus 1 is 1. So this is going to give me a slope of 2 divided by 1, which is 2. So the slope of the line is 2. Then it asks, what does the slope of the line mean given the context of the problem? Well, the slope is telling me how the line is changing. The slope is the rise over the run, or it's how does the y change divided by how does the x change. So on top, it's how does the y change. On the bottom, it's how does the x change. Well, our y values are the weight of the babies in pounds, and our x values are the age of the babies in months. So if we look at the top of our fraction here for the slope, the top part was 2. This is going to be the weight of the babies. And the bottom part is 1. This is going to be the months. So if the top part of the fraction is 2, and that represents the weight, the bottom part of the slope is 1, and that represents the months, then what this slope means for the context of the problem is that the weight of the babies increases by 2 pounds for every 1 month. The weight of the babies increases by 2 pounds for every 1 month. That is what this slope means. If you look over here, the weight increases by 2 when the months increase by 1. That's what the slope 2 over 1 means. The weight of the babies increases by 2 pounds for every 1 month. So that is all we need for question 1.